Brian, can you get the ball from Chewy?
No.
What do you tell Chewy?
Drop it.
Yeah, tell him again. Throw the ball. Can you throw it for Chewy? Throw it. Throw it for Chewy. Chewy, can you get the ball? Brian, where are you going? Oh.
Grab it.
Did he grab it from you?
Yeah.
Aw, is he happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.